welcome to this video. My name is Matthew and I'm the product specialist for PPG, Australia, New Zealand. Today we're going to be going through the Mirka polishing kit as well as the new polishes that are being launched. So let's get into it. In this wonderful case is a starter's polishing kit for our cordless, battery operated polishers. So let's have a look. First tool is our direct drive sander. Great for getting harsh De-Nibs out, as well as just flattening some certain areas. Excellent tool. Next one is our 12mm orbit. Once again, great for polishing those little large areas that we want to get to, as well as doing a little bit of sanding if needed. The Pride is our little 3mm orbit De-Nibber. A lot of these pneumatic ones are still out, but this is a battery operated one, like all these tools here. This kit also comes with 3 batteries, 2 little ones and 1 heavy duty. All batteries fit all the tools. As well as its charger. Easy to plug in, easy to make sure it's being charged. The accessories that go with this, we first have our Lambswool 2, which fits on these 2 tools. Next is our yellow Waffles. Once again, fit on all tools. And our last one for our pads is our black Waffle. With our De-Nibber, we have our SRRs, greens and purples in the 100 packs. Come in this kit. Little sticks that stick on here that do our De-Nibbing. With that, a little De-Nibber. A little squeezy bottle to keep our SRRs clean. And for your final, your Microfibre Cloth. Now with this kit, they haven't left out the polishes. You've got your coarse, which is your 35. Then you've got your medium, which is your 15. Then you've got your finisher, which is your 5. And of course, for all those guys out there that love cleaning everything up, your liquid nano wax finishing wax. All this in here comes in this case. Well guys, I hope you got a good experience and a good idea of what the Mirka polishing kit can do. At this current moment, these polishes here, the 45 and the 212s, are available right now from your local PPG and Paint Powerhouse distributors. At the moment, they are not in the kit, but they do come in the 2 sizes, in the 1 litres and the 250 mils, ready for you to go. Hope you liked it. Let us know what you think. And if you've got any more questions, please drop a line to PPG customer service. Thank you guys.